Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Sora from Kingdom Hearts inspired makeup look. If you don't know what Kingdom Hearts is, it is a video game created by Disney and Square Enix where you can find both Final Fantasy and Disney characters. And I'm not even going to get into the story because we will be here for 3 hours if I do that. But anyways, the main protagonist in the game is a character called Sora, and I'm doing my makeup inspired by him today. So let's just get right into it. I already have my foundation and my brows donezo, so I am taking my eyeshadow primer and applying that to my eyelids. Next, I am taking a very bright yellow eyeshadow and applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. This is supposed to resemble the yellow from Sora's outfit, and actually all the colors used here are inspired by Sora's outfit. So next, I am taking a medium blue eyeshadow color and applying that to the rest of my lid, blending somewhere in between that yellow and blue to create a nice gradient effect. Next, I am taking a black eyeshadow and blending that into my crease to the outer corner of my eyes. And then once I've applied that more or less in the shape I like, I kind of went with a pointy shape here. I blend it out with a nice fluffy brush to blend it all in. I didn't blend out too much, but I don't know, you do what you want. I also drag it down to my bottom lash line. Next, it's eyeliner time. I didn't go too crazy, just a simple little line with my pencil, and we'll go back to that in just a bit. But next, it's time for lashes. So I curl them, and then I apply some mascara, and then finally I go in with my trusty e.l.f. Natural Lash Kit, and I apply those babies on. Back to the eyeliner, I am taking a matte liquid liner and applying that over the eyeliner and the lashes to hide any glue and imperfections, and then go back in with some mascara. And then to add some extra pizzazz, I am taking my black glitter with little specks of blue and my glitter glue and applying that to my bottom lash line. After that is done, I conceal and hide all of that glitter and whatever mess I may have made after doing my eyeshadow. I'm also going in and contouring as well as applying a kind of neutral dark blush to my nose and cheeks. I didn't want to go with something too bright because my eyes were a little cray already. After that, I am taking some highlighter. This one is pretty cool because it's kind of blue. You can't really see it here, but it has a blue silver undertone, and I'm applying that to my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and by my brow bone right under my brows, and oh, also by my Cupid's bow. Okay, now for a little scary part, now I'm gonna take my liquid liner and try to draw the Kingdom Hearts heart by my eye. Whatevs, I guess it kind of works. A for effort because I have shaky hands as heck. And then I'm taking a really bright red lip liner for the lips, and I'm lining my entire lips. And then after that, I'm taking a red lipstick of a similar color and going over that. And that's it. You've got your Sora inspired makeup look. But wait, there is more. If you want to go for a more like dark anti-Sora kind of look, you can change the red lipstick to black, my favorite, using black lip liner and a black lipstick. Wow, 2 looks for one. Bet you weren't expecting that. Anyways, guys, that is all that I have for today. I am super excited for Kingdom Hearts 3, which comes out today, not sponsored, after 10 long-awaited years. If you like this video, subscribe for more, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out. I do lots of Disney, vintage, fashion, and other types of things on here. As always, sending you a really big virtual hug wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!